How will you be warned if a wildfire threatens Marin? Our emergency warning system is called Alert Marin. You need to sign up at alertmarin.org. In the event of a wildfire, you will get one of 3 alerts. An evacuation order means leave now. Grab your go kit and get going. An evacuation warning is issued when a wildfire may threaten your location soon. This is the time to get ready to go. If you need assistance or extra time for any reason, leave as soon as you can. You may also get an alert to shelter in place. This means that the safest place for you at the moment is to stay where you are. Conditions can change very fast during a wildfire, so make an evacuation plan now that includes your transportation, what you will take, and your route downhill to a main road. Please sign up for alerts and be prepared. Learn more at firesafemarin.org.